Okay, we'll do another Park Another Sunday, and I'll preface this with in standard tuning in the key of E. It's really I find it very difficult to sing. I don't really have that register, so I would tend to tune the guitar down at least a whole step, maybe even put thicker strings on the guitar and tune it down a step and a half or two steps. And then the song starts to sound different. So, but it's cool to play along to this song, so I'll have the chord charts on the screen. Playing an old Yamaha FG 151. It sounds pretty good for a relatively inexpensive guitar. But we'll get through it, and then I'll see what we can do. Okay?
Sitting in my room, staring out my window, wondering where you're gone. Thinking back on the happy hours just before the dawn. Outside, the wind is blowing, seems to call your name again. City streets and lonely highways I travel down. My car is empty and the radio just seems to bring me down. I'm just trying to find me a pretty smile I can get into. It's true, I'm lost without you. Another lonely park, another Sunday. Why is it life turns out that way? Just when you think you got a good thing, it seems to slip away. It's cold outside, clouds are in the sky. I need myself a place to go and hide. Keep to myself, don't want nobody else to see me crying all these tears in my eyes. Oh yeah. Another lonely park, another Sunday. Why is it life turns out that way? Just when you think you got a good thing, it seems to slip away. Yeah, yeah. Another park, another Sunday. It's dark and empty thanks to you. Oh yeah. I gotta get myself together, but it's hard to do, yeah. Yeah, yeah. Another park, another Sunday. Why is it life turns out that way? Just when you think you got a good thing, it seems to slip away. Yeah. Another park, another Sunday. It's dark
So that's it. Pretty cool chord progression. The arrangement basically is the intro, which is, and that's kind of the 3-chord progression for the beginning of the verse, and then there's the changes, the sus, A sus to an A, and then these are I'm calling them G sharp minors. It's kind of your Melissa chords. And then the chorus is fairly simple. It's kind of like an E5 chord, but you just slide it up here, so you're playing open 11, 13, 13. And for the chorus, you're really just walking that formation down, three frets one at a time.
Another lonely park, another Sunday. It's dark and empty thanks to you. It's la 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 la, but it's hard to do. Yeah, and
You can just play that chorus out. So you could do it by yourself, solo. Good luck. Please subscribe, comment, give me some other Doobie Brothers songs you like. We can try them. And comment. Thanks.